Several studies have shown that the best learning outcomes happen when learning occurs in small interactive groups, when theoretical concepts are reinforced through hands-on assignments, when there is peer learning, and when the instructor is an actual industry expert. At Great Learning, we have combined all these elements into our unique mentored learning model. Unlike webinars or even online classroom sessions, mentoring for Great Learning's online programs occurs in small groups that are called micro classes.
So I have a question here. So you're talking about a linear regression is based on least square estimation. Could you repeat like what logistic regression is based upon?
Yes, sure. I'll just answer that.
Yeah. So like you said that in linear regression, the relation between dependent and independent variable is linear. So what is the relation in logistic regression?
Each microclass is created so that students with similar years of work experience and background are grouped together. This allows mentors to determine the best pace of teaching, what types of examples and case studies to use in order to maximize the relevance and benefit to the group. It also makes it easy for students to learn from each other and share their personal experiences with their groups.
Yeah, so I work in the banking domain and I have heard people from other departments talk a lot about using logistic regression in fraud detection and analysis.
Every weekend, mentors revise the concepts that were covered in the learning videos from the previous week.
I'll give this piece of code to you in the chat box. Posting it here. And I want you all to run this. See the results. If everybody gets the result, I want you guys to give me a thumbs up.
They also help build tangible skill sets by leading students through interactive hands-on coding and problem walkthroughs. In addition, as the mentors are actually industry experts and data scientists at companies such as Microsoft, Cognizant, Mu Sigma, Thomson Reuters and so on, they also frequently share their real-life experiences and help connect theoretical concepts to actual examples of how these analytics techniques are used in the industry. Finally, as each mentor is assigned to a group for the entire duration of their learning journey, the students therefore have the opportunity to engage with their mentor on a deeper level and get support and guidance when making the transition into an analytics career. So come learn online with us the right way. Get yourself the mentored learning experience.